What's going on? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Look, you guys made it to this page for a reason. So what I want to do today is I want to make this very, very simple, very, very easy. I'm going to break down to you exactly what it is that I do, how easy it is, and how that you don't need a lot of time. See, you probably already heard about Forex or trading or this or that, and you probably thought it was hard. You probably tried it, lost some money. Your friends told you about it. They lost some money. But today I'm going to dismantle all of the myths, right? I'm going to break it down for you, show you how easy it is. I'm going to do it for free, right? I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I'm going to make it simple, and I'm doing it for absolutely free. All I want you to do is watch the rest of this video. Once you're done watching the video, just leave your name, your email, and your phone number below, right? Leave your number, your name, and your email below, and you'll get access to the inside. But right now, let's go ahead and hop right into my computer. Things first, let's kill the misconception. Is Forex a scam? Is it a pyramid scheme? What is it? How does it work? Let's start with good old Google, right? How old is Forex? The foreign exchange market was established in Amsterdam roughly 500 years ago. Okay, understand the only reason why you're hearing about it so much now is because it's been made digital in the last couple of years. So now people are able to trade on their phone, their computers, their laptops, and things like that. So now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and get into some real action, right? So this is a broker, right? The broker is going to serve as the middleman between you and the markets. Now, inside of the markets, we have multiple currency pairs. This is how we trade. We trade one currency for the other. See, in the stock market, you're trading and investing into companies and businesses. In the foreign exchange market, you're exchanging currencies, one currency for the other. Now, on our platform, you have different payouts. So you see on the right-hand side, you see payouts. You have 80%, 70%, 60%. So for today's example, I'm going to be using AUD right? That's the Australian dollar to the Japanese yen, and it's currently paying out 70%. Now, with this style of trading, we trade for time, right? I can come right up here. I can trade for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. But today I'm going to be showing you guys a 1 minute trade. We can wager whatever we want, all the way down to $1, all the way up to $1,000, right? Now, whatever you want to wager, whatever you're willing to risk, that's what you're going to be trading. Now, for today's example, we're going to be using $100. Now, remember, this pair is trading out 70%. So on that 70%, we'll be making $70 on this trade. Now, what we have is a green button for a buy, a red button for a sell. What we're going to do, I think this is going to go up. So I'm going to press the green button for a buy. All price has to do is to stay above my entry for the duration of 1 minute, and we will make our money. So right now, you're going to see that we are in the green. The green means we're in profit. All we have to do is stay green for 45 seconds, which is staying above price here, and we will make our $70 profit. Now, the market goes up and the market goes down. We make money either way because we can buy it up or we can sell it down, right? Either way, totally fine, and that's how the foreign exchange market works. Now, we have about 25 seconds on this trade. I want you guys to be able to see that. And what I'm going to show you before that time is up is how we actually compound our money, right? Compounding our money on a $50 account. We're going to do an 8% daily, 11 days. I'm going to go 60 days, right? Let's check our trade really quick. We are in profit. We have about 4, 3, 2, 1. And we just made $70 in 1 minute. You watched it live for yourself, $70 in 1 minute, okay? Now, imagine being able to take a $50 account, right, compounding at 8% every single day for 60 days or 60 trades. We're going to reinvest 100%, and we're not going to trade on weekends. Let's calculate that, right? So what that looks like is a $50 account becomes a $5,000 account in 60 trades or 60 days, and we have the roadmap. The roadmap tells you what you should be making every day. $4, $4, and so on, down 18, 20, and this is every single day. The power of compounding is real because what happens is at the end of those 60 trades, you're going to be at a $5,000 account. Now, you can do this in weeks, you can do this in days, you can do this however you want. But look, guys, I want to be able to give you the rest of this training. That's what I want to do. I want to give you the rest of this training full out for free. All you have to do is put your name, your email, and your phone number in the box below, and you'll be on the inside, and I'll give you the rest.